Gang. You already know what time it is. You don't know what time it is. You don't see Dan back in the lab. So you know what we are dealing with today. You see me? Not know artists are not enough to introduce the artists. We react to artists have enough time. You see me? I say Kraff is back with another one. Look at you there link up with Jiggy and the one named NARLY. This is actually a request from Night. You see me? That's actually from one of our Dan Mafia members. So Night, big up yourself, my G. Yeah, Night I was sending some good requests now. You see me? I say some mad requests. You see me? I say so, yeah. But yeah, we are familiar with Kraff. Kraff always doing thing. Kraff, I wouldn't say it's been slowing down, you know what I'm saying? But definitely, you know what I'm saying, that still a drop bangers though. But I think even if it's pick up the pace, like not like Mali right now go crazy. Mali right now go crazy right now. And say so, Kraff, pick up the pace, my G. I know we not get the Blood Plea album where you say I got drop from last year, but from about January, December, January, you know that. You see me? You say Pat don't cook long time. Anyway, I jump right on this. Kraff, Jiggy, NARLY. Let's get it, gang. Down upon the 90s Prince of Bel-Air type shit. So yeah. Yeah, we can play what's the G. I gotta deal with it. I gotta write down. They're the members only. They're out there kicking all stars. See me? I gotta deal with it. Zungu zungu go zungu zenga. 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 9 bitch in I bed, the next friend make 10, 12 gal in I lobby bring 3 left 12. A regular me junk and chief in I Benz. African powers all the fuck if it dead. Okay, this is different. Jiggy Kraff, okay. This is on the same beat that thing that they on. I don't know if I reacted to that one. The fucking Briscoe and Raja Wild. I need to react to that song. I haven't watched that video yet. But I heard the song, I haven't watched the video. I need to check that out. 9 bitch in I bed, the next friend make 10, 12 gal in I lobby bring 3 left 12. A regular me junk and chief in I Benz. African 9 bitch in I bed, next one make 10. Regular me junk and chief in I Benz. Alright, got the 90s that come in. Powers all the fuck if it dead. Papa, pizza, killer, liquor. I me say zungu zungu go zungu zenga. Zungu zungu go. I got to start a part. Okay, dog, do an invitation to a party, dog. I mean, no my party, my rascal talk. Anyway, my party, my dark and done. Shotty rum brown on my rascal junk blow light. Now the party, the dance can't done. Carpal send the hey, Babel, come on, squaddy. No bother. Don't bother. Don't call lack of vibes, me G. If you want some fun, stagger, puff, no my thoughts fucked up. Christian pop pill, no she want ton slut. She ring 3 friend, where you call that mom. See something till Christian pop pill, she want ton. Easy no man, hey, be nauseous. Blick on my body, tell Goofy be cautious. Pills in my noggin, this shit got me salty. Be on my body, tell Goofy be cautious. Be able to say that, boy. Who's still like, oh, I be robbing. She gon' pop this perks and then she gon' get naughty. Freaking the shit, she be good, gawking. Go cuckoo for me, I ain't talking, she hauling. Get blood. Me drinking that shit, she good, she gawking. I ain't. See that man coming. Back to them, Kraff, come in. Lucid for me, ride that dick like a Harley. Pushing this P, now the feds, they be watching. Double extendo, shit look like a goblin. We spinning again and again till we drop him. Don't see him outside, of course we gon' come now. Double extendo that look like, hey, we spinning again and again till we drop him. Extendo, shit look like a goblin. We spinning again and again till we drop him. Don't see him outside, of course we gon' come knocking. 2, 2, 3, don't see him outside, of course I come knocking, brother. I want to get on easy yourself. Listen to the lyrics. Listen. It look like a boy. The shit she be good, gawking. Go cuckoo for me, I ain't talking, she hauling. Get lucid for me, ride that dick like a Harley. Lucid for me, ride that dick like a Harley. I refer to him song as well as, you know, they lose. Pushing this P, now the feds, they be watching. Double extendo, shit look like a goblin. We spinning again and again till we drop him. Don't see him outside, of course we gon' come knocking. 2, 2, 3 bullets, black hot like wasabi. Easy no man, 2, 2, 3 bullet.
black act like wasabi, yo. I want to don't know the reference. Lyrics I go on.
In my body, cure that shit with Molly. We sinning tonight. Tell my mama I'm sorry. Tell my mama.
Tell Molly. Hey, easy. Come in.
With Molly, we sinning tonight. Tell my mama I'm sorry. Tell my mama I'm sorry. Anywhere my party, my ras gun tuck. Anywhere my clot in my dark and
I would have walk and talk, bro. Walk and talk. Easy now, man.
when my party, my ras gun tuck. Anywhere my clot.
Easy, I would have the legend. You know, see man a legend. I want to them. You know, see man a legend. Yeah? I walk and talk and I don't play with him. I want to walk in. You know, see me I say.
In my dark and done. Chatty rum brown on my rascal jump. Low light now the party, the dance can't done. Corporal say the word if you want some funds. Stacker, puff, no my thoughts.
Corporal say the word if you want some funds, brother. I want to thing when me know they come lock off the party and done the vibes, car. Squaddy, what you do? Let me know you want some funds, man. Liquor there, you know, girl, there, nothing, no brother. So what go on, my problem? Come here.
Top Christian pop pill, now she want ton slut. She bring 3 friends, where you call that Muk?
Christian girl say she want. Hey, she bring 3. Where you call that? Hey. I seen that sign. How that? I either beanie or yellow man style. I think a yellow man style, right? Zongo. If I'm mistaken. When I study that Kraff. Might be wrong though. Okay, you see? Zongo. I think it's a beanie man or blood club. No, I think the beanie man says Zaga and Zongo. I'm not sure. I gotta check that out. Correct me if I'm wrong, chat, but don't roast me. You see me? Don't come for me. You know, that. One of them, you know, the wife they come for. You see me? But I think Beanie Man says Zaga. Yeah. Zaga. And Yellow Man says Zungo. If not, if I'm wrong, so it's another artist. But let me know, correct me in a comment section. But don't roast your boy. You see me? I'm just right now, my brain. You see me? Right now, I'm pulling a blank right now. But yeah, correct me in the comment section. Let me know anything more down there. You see me? Yeah, this is a different vibe. I like the one. The one is a vibe. Shout out to Kraff. Man, I speak tonight, you know. Don't my sound like gimmicks or joking, but the man actually speak some bad lyrics tonight. You see me? I say, man say, yo, extend don't look like Garland. You see me? We gonna spin this black again and get into a drop. Don't see him outside. Then we gonna come knocking. But you nigga not gonna speak and live everything mad. You see what I say, nigga? Yeah, it's a good vibe. I like it. Man say, yo, Christian girl want tons. You know, see me, tons lot. Bring 3 friends, where you call that? Muk. Man say, man, I'm system of the cure. Tell mother to sell it tonight. I'm hey, he's a piece. Kraff, do your thing. You see me, he's a wild youth. You see me, yeah, but he's a wild, yo. Yeah, I want to try to get like you there. To get enough trouble, man. You see me? Pick up yourself, though, Kraff. Want to do your thing, my G. Yeah, you want like a bad, yeah, you see that, say, sin. And scared. You see me, I say, Kraff for doing thing, man. Video very fun. You see me, video late. Song late. You see me, I say, it's nice song to react to. Kraff about artist. Keep doing your thing. I say, yo, I don't like how the song in idea, but I get it. It was the build up. In the day, it was delivering letters to the invitation to the party. Then later on, it was the actual party at night when the video actually turned up. I get it. I like it. It was a mad concept. Then the 90s vibes, you know? When I pick me with their home. Alone and the man say, yo, I'm bored right now, I'm gonna do just a quick little party, 1, 2 before the period. You see, I say, yeah, it's 90s vibe. You see me? So big up Kraff, very creative. Like the video. Big up Jiggy, that beat, that rhythm is going crazy. Let me know able to think about that actual beat. I heard Roger Wild and Risco on it, but I didn't see the video. Maybe I should check out that video. Did I check out that video? Let me know. Did I react to that video? I don't think I did. I need to check it out if I haven't. But let me know, gang. What do you think about this beat? Jiggy are doing thing, man. Very different. A lot of people say, yo, it's like copying. It's like the 90s hip hop or whatever it was back there, like the funk, disco, beats, and then he's fusing with dancehall. It's like, go on, man. You see me, I say? It's a vibe. So let me know anything. Drop in the comment section. Let me know if you're a part. You already know what time to do. Like, you show the artist some support. Mr. Jambisco dance. You already know what time it is. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. You already know what time it is. Your boy is out.
On a play my DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.